Hello world. Hi, I'm Freddy. In today's video, I would like to share with you my $100 code. I got a project with a client to make a Telegram bot and he pays me $100. And he even adding some tips for me. A happy customer will surprise you, right? Why I want to share with you with my $100 codes? Because in my opinion, this bot is a very simple and easy bot to make. I even managed to deliver this bot in just one day. I wish I would get this kind of order every day. Okay, let's check the bot. I will not cover the bot's name. Maybe some of you guys are interested with the bot's offering. Just go with it. I don't mind if James is the client's name is James. I don't mind if James got free permission by this video. I also have asked him for his permission to make this video. Alright, here's the bot name. 3 times your money. Interesting, right? Yes, it is. Okay, let's search it. 3 times. That's it. Here is the bot name. If we click start, let's see what the bot is going to do. Let's see how the bots work. If we click start, there is a welcome message that he said that he's looking for hungry, motivated people that he can work with and help each other. He's going to share a video with you. It's 30 minutes long. I asked to watch this piece in peace. This must be a typo. And quiet place, because you might miss something that could really be important to you. Do you have a 30 minutes to watch this video? If yes, then a video will come out. If no, then okay, awesome. Well, good luck with anything you do, and we wish you all the best. If you don't have anyone that is interested or would like to an opportunity like this, can you please copy the link and forward it to them? So he will ask you to forward the bot. Okay, what if you click yes? Okay, let's delete the chat. 3 times your money, click start. Yes, I have time to watch the 38 minutes and I want to play the video. Just click this, a video will be sent to you. Then you can watch the video from vimeo.com. Then if you're interested, you can click yes. If no, the same message like we saw before will come out. Let's try yes, I'm interested. What made you stop by today? Make money? Do you have more free time, or you need a change of your life? I would like to say that I make more money. Awesome. I'm happy to help you with that. I'm great at helping busy people earn some money, extra money, and free up their time to spend with their family and loved one. How many hours can you set aside to work with me? Okay. Let's say that we have 1 to 5 hours. That sounds great. Let's get you on one-on-one on phone call or chat via Telegram. If you have any question before we get started, remember, if you book a 30-minute call, please leave a valid email or Skype address. Or if you want to direct message me right away, click on direct message. So we can book him a 30-minute call by book him on his Calendly. he got some error on this link. I have contacted him and he is checking it right now. If we want to direct message him, it's also possible by clicking this button out here. Here. Hi Jim, this is me contacting him for testing the bot. Okay, that's all for the bot. Very simple and very straightforward, I think. Nothing so fancy about it. Let's see the code. Yeah, here it is. So I make it using native Python. I'm not using Telegram module for Python Telegram module. I made it from the scratch, just like this. It's not even 100 line of code for the sorry, for the bot's for the bot's main code. But of course we have this function right here, but again it's not so many. Okay, let's see the definition. I put the sorry, I have to cut it because some credential is shown right here. So we have this definition, and also definition. It's not much. And before I have done 2 or 3 projects like this before, so I can copy paste it from the other projects, so I can deliver it is I can deliver this project in less than 1 day. Okay, what do you think about it? What I'm trying to say is, never underestimate yourself, your code or your apps. It could be that simple apps worth $1,000 for your clients. So keep delivering good apps within a promised time. Then you'll be surprised by the achievement. If you want a customized Telegram bot, you can also contact me for sure. I'll be more than happy to have a project with my YouTube viewer. Thank you. I would like to have your opinion or comments about these projects, because I think I'm so happy with this project because I got $100 and plus more tips, and the project is so easy for me. Have you got the same experience? Just comment below. Okay, thank you. I think that's all for today's video. Please subscribe, comments below, and see ya.